Good evening, one and all. Let's begin this investiture by quoting Confucius. Education breeds confidence, confidence breeds hope, and hope breeds peace. Good evening, once again, respected Principal Ma'am, Academic Dean, Vice Principal of eKids, Sasikala Ma'am, Vice Principal of eCharms, Divyashri Ma'am, my dear teachers, my fellow friends, and parents. Education should consist of the series of enchantments, each rating to a higher level of awareness, understanding, and kinship with all the living things. The Narayana Group of School envisions and encourages the students to come forward and communicate ideas and thoughts which play a vital role in the functioning of the school system. The school fosters leadership and coordination skills in portraying the child not as a mere student, but as a partner who contributes towards the development of the school through investiture ceremony. Investiture, in other words, is the cabinet installation. Thank you. Now let's move on with the program. As we all know, any program without a prayer would and is incomplete. So let's give a warm welcome to Krish of class 9B to give us a spiritual and good start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशाणाय धीमहि गुणाधीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि गणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानातरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुणवे गुरगुरवे गुरुदैतकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसधाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्राते गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गोधपाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणाधीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय. Thank you.
Listen.
Thank you, Krish. That was a wonderful song. Now let's welcome Raktesh to give us a brief introduction to the cabinet installation.
Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to know what is cabinet installation and how was it conducted. I would proudly like to say that Narayana Group of School envisages and encourages the students to come forward and communicate ideas. The school fosters leadership and coordination skills in portraying not as a mere student but as a partner and contributes towards the investiture ceremony. The investiture ceremony, in other words, is the cabinet installation. It is the process of electing leaders of the school in a democratic manner. The elections are held in a democratic way. The nominees are elected by the students. After the final elections, the cabinet is installed. Our energetic cabinet contains the head boy, the head girl, the deputy head boy, and the deputy head girl. The nominees for the head boy and head girl are from grade 10th, whereas the deputies are from grade 9th. Each of the candidates have their own talent, so I hope you guys have voted the one with the most powerful of all according to you. The head boy has promised us that he The head boy has promised us that he will try his best to assist in our problems, and so the head girl. Both of them have extraordinary talents, so tighten your seats to hear this speech very soon in the assembly. The deputy head boy and the deputy head girl will support the head boy and the head girl to resolve the problems. The main mission for the head boy and the head girl is to maintain discipline and cleanliness and proper manners in the school campus. The head boy and the head girl also supervise the work of the deputy head boy and the deputy head girl. All of them together form the cabinet with the respected nominated house leaders. Now the winners of the respective posts will be announced. I would like to give this opportunity to Puneet and Nikhila to carry on the ceremony.
Yes, thank you, Riktesh, and good evening to one and all present here. This is Nikhila from class 10.
And this is Punit from class 10.
Today, it's really a special day for us as we're getting to know our school leaders. But before that, I would like to greet our principal ma'am with a warm welcome as she has supported us in this journey and it wouldn't be possible without her guidance. So I want our principal ma'am to speak few words on this occasion. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, ma'am. So good evening to one and all. There is a saying, leaders are not born, but made. School plays an important role in making a leader. Today's cabinet installation is the witness of it. First of all, I congratulate all the elected members. To inculcate the leadership qualities in the students and to give them a feel of functioning of the administrative body, the school has set duties and responsibilities for council members. The elected members are guided by house in charge teachers, vice principal, and principal. Leaders are the role models who inspire the followers and motivate them to reach the pinnacle of the success. They should lead by example. Here, the challenge of leadership is to be strong but not rude. Be kind but not weak. Be bold but not bully. And be thoughtful but not lazy. Be humble but not timid. Be proud but not arrogant. Have humor but not folly. Again, the few other qualities for a leader, it should be there. What are those? Truthfulness, confidence, discipline, responsibility, accountability, loyalty, self-awareness, vision, and assertiveness are the qualities of the leaders they should possess. So I appreciate the interest and the effort of the children who had filed the nominations and had not been elected. But still, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue further. A leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Keep growing. Growth can be if you can learn from failures. Growth is a change to be an effective leader. You must ensure learning takes place with every setback and every mistake. We are all there to support you. All the best. Thank you.
Yes. I thank Principal Ma'am for addressing the event. Yes, the moment has arrived. I know many of you would have guessed it, and I can hear Nomini's heart pounding. As we all are eagerly waiting for the results of the election, and now we are going to announce it. So first is the head boy category. So friends, can anyone guess who is the winner? I know many of us would have voted for him.
Can anybody guess? Unmute anybody. Let's see.
Puneet.
Can anybody guess who is the winner? Who has been elected?
Puneet.
Puneet. Okay, is it Puneet you?
Ma'am, I have not nominated myself for.
Okay. So guessing is wrong. You can tell the winner.
So the winner is Yashaswin R of class 10. As it is a proud moment for him and for his parents and also for us, I request his parents to honor Yashaswin with the sachet and the crown by her own hands, and I request the audience to stand up and clap for him.
Thank you.
After campaigning and because of your experience, your generousness, courageousness, you have been paid with such an important post. Enjoy this moment, Yashaswin. This is a very, very important moment for you. Looking forward for your leadership.
Yes.
Thank you, Puneet, for encouraging me and staying by my side. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Yashaswin. Congrats.
Okay, everybody can at least show the symbol of claps. Congratulations, Yashaswin.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for honoring him, your child. Thank you very much.
And thank you, ma'am, for honoring our head boy.
Okay,
Yes, Puneet, continue.
Nikhila?
Yes, ma'am, should I start? Yes, so in the next category, we have our head girl. Can anyone guess who's the winner? Come on, guess everyone, anyone? So, yes, the winner is Pochi Raju Shri Prakya from class 10. As it's really proud moment for all of us, I request audience to stand and parents of Prakya to honor her with the badges, sashes and crown. Congratulations, Prakya. Thank you so much.
Few words to Prakya from Nikhila. Parents are.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Prakya, and you
Yes.
deserve it.
Congratulations, Prakya.
As you're really creative, diligent, compassionate, and also very smart. And all the very best, and looking forward to be leaded in your leadership.
Congratulations, Prakya. Thanks to the parent. Thank you very much. Yes, here goes the sachet from the parents. Big round of applause from everybody. You can at least show your clapping. We are raising the option is there, right? You can clap.
Oh, Brahmi.
Yes. Congratulations, Prakya. Very nice.
Okay, congratulations.
Congratulations, Praksha.
Congratulations.
Cake and chocolate, you have it.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Yes, she's looking good.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much for all these wishes and everything. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you everyone for voting me. Very happy. Thank you all.
Good evening, Principal Ma'am, Das Sir, Naveen Sir, Shalini Ma'am, Pavan Sir, everybody. Thanks a lot for encouraging Prakya for this event, actually.
She has been elected, ma'am. She has been elected by our own friends.
Yes.
Yeah, they are the elected members.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we should see how they will perform now.
Definitely. Why not?
Yes.
Because of that only they have elected, right?
Yes.
The fellow mates
And
have been selected.
as parents, whatever is possible, we will try to help her in everything. We promise that.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes.
Yes, Puneet?
Yes. So yes, the next category is the deputy head boy category. So come on guys, again, can anyone guess who's the winner?
No guessings by anybody. They have voted and they have not guessed.
Krish
Harun.
Oh, is it right?
So yes, the winner is Krish Harun of class 9. As it is a very special moment for you, for your parents and also for us, I request his parents to honor Krish by the sachet and the crown by their own hands, and I request the audience to clap for Krish.
Congratulations. Yes. Nikhila, some words about Krish?
Enjoy this moment, Krish. You have deserved this for your talent, determination, and persistence. Looking forward for your assistance for head boy and cooperate with him.
Thank you all for giving me this opportunity and voting for me. I will try my best to fulfill all your wishes. Your wishes are my orders. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations, Chris.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
I thank parents for being here for this. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody.
Nikhila?
Yes, ma'am. So now again we have the next category for deputy head girl. And can anyone guess who is the winner for the deputy head girl post?
Preeti R. Prabhu. Preeti R. Prabhu.
That's absolutely correct. The winner is Preeti R. Prabhu from class 9. Yes, ma'am. So as it's a really proud moment for all of us, I request audience to stand and parents of Preeti R. Prabhu to honor her with badges, sashes, and crown. Congratulations, Preeti R. Prabhu, and you deserve it because you're really ambitious, clever, active, and very tactful. And all the very best, and looking forward to be leaded under your leadership.
Thank you so much for those who all have voted for me, and thank you for keeping your word. You all have the best choices and you've made the right choice. I will definitely try to be the best leader and fulfill all your needs.
Thank you each and everyone for supporting my daughter. She will be the best deputy head girl for you, and she will serve each and everybody, and we are thankful for each and every one of the Narayana school. We are proud of you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thanks for honoring your child. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Preeti.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Preeti.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, parents. DV3T.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity. And yeah, I'll definitely try to be the best deputy head girl and fulfill all your needs.
Thank you.
Okay.
So moving on further, next is the housewise category. So the first house is the Agni house. A house cannot function properly without the captain. So winner of the Agni house captain is Karunya Chaudhary of class 9. I request her parents to honor her with the sachet and crown, and I request audience to clap for Karunya.
A big round of applause for all the captains.
Enjoy this moment, Karunya. You have deserved this because you are persistent, passionate, and exuberant, and also ambitious.
Actually, I would like to tell a small speech. It's like, first of all, I would like to thank all my respected teachers for showing faith on me and selecting me as the captain for Agni House. And I'm very happy. I'm very delighted and excited to lead all my fellow members of Agni Group. And I'm friendly, and you can approach me if you need any help. And I will lead you all very nicely. Thank you.
Thank you, Karunya. Thank you very much. Let's move on. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So next,
thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Just nice to see the father honoring the child, and then like he has just put a crown. Thank you very much, sir. Karunya looks beautiful with the sachet and with the crown. Nice. Yeah.
So next is the house vice captain post. So winner for the house vice captain post is Parnika Reddy from class 8. I request Parnika's parents to honor her with the sachet and the crown, and I request audience to clap for her.
Yes. Again, mute. There's a noise. Parent there.
It's okay. Cool down.
Can we?
Congratulations, Parnika.
Congratulations, Parnika. Congratulations, Parnika.
Thank you everyone for making me the vice captain, and I hope I'll make sure that I'll help every one of you I'll try to do my best, and thank you everyone for selecting me. Thank you.
Welcome.
Congratulations, Panika. Be on
She's
mute.
collaborative, focused, precise, sportive, and looking forward for good cooperation with your house captain. Congratulations, Panika.
Congratulations, Panika.
So moving on further, next is the discipline house captain post. And the winner for the discipline house captain is Hasini Mukka of class 9. I request her parents to award her with the sachet and with the crown. And I request audience to clap for her. She's empathetic, practical, intuitive, and looking forward for good leadership.
Hasini, unmute.
Congrats,
Thank you very
Hasini.
much for all the teachers for electing me as the discipline captain, and I will do the best. I'll do my best for the discipline club. Yeah. Thank you so
Thank you.
much for everyone.
Thank
You should be very proud that you are the elected for discipline, right? I think so. You are
Yeah,
more
yeah.
disciplined child, right?
Yeah, seriously.
That's why you have been elected, right?
Most disciplined, ma'am.
Yes, that's the reason.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
The credit goes to school, really. We are very proud. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Next.
So next is the discipline vice captain post, and the winner for this post is Mella Charu Neha from class 7. I request audience to clap for her.
Just tell the parents to honor also.
I
Request the
request
parents.
her parents to honor her with the sachet and the crown.
Yes. Thank you.
Is Neha available in the meeting? Neha, are you there? Just raise hand.
Mom, she is not there.
Neha is not there.
It's okay.
Puneet, we can go to the next category.
Yes, ma'am. Next, the sports club captain post, and the winner for this post is Hrishikesh Sagar of class 9. I request the audience to clap for him, and I request his parents to honor him.
I think Rishikesh Sagar is also not there. He was there just now. He came.
The network issues. Just if they come back, ma'am, you can.
Yes, ma'am. He
Ask them
just
to honor again. Yes. And Neha also. Just check if might be some network issues will be there. Okay.
again left.
Okay. Let's see.
Just
Just
a minute.
Yeah.
Rishikesh Sagar, you are there? I think he is facing some network issue. He is joining and leaving the meeting.
Okay.
Yes, madam. Next we'll check.
Okay. Yes.
Once they join again, we can look into it, ma'am. You can go for the next.
Puneet?
He is adaptable, frank, and courageous, looking forward for leadership. So next is the sports vice captain post, and the winner is Rohit Kartikeya of class 7. I request audience to clap for him, and I request his parents to honor him.
Rohit is there?
What is full name?
Rohit Kartikeya.
Rohit, if you are there, please raise your hand.
Rohit, are you there?
I didn't have anything. I only have
Has participated. Okay.
Indupur Rohit Kartikeya.
He is there in the meeting, sir. He is there. Unmute yourself, Indupur Kartikeya. Rohit, unmute yourself. You are there in the meeting, right? Unmute him, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you. Congratulations, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
I
Are your
don't
parents
have
there?
that. Yes, ma'am. All the
Is there? You're there and you have been elected. That's great. Congratulations. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
So next is the cultural club captain post, and the winner is Yana Agarwal of class 9. I request audience to clap for Yana, and I request her parents to honor her.
Thank you so much, Puneet. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, teachers, for selecting me.
Congratulations, Yana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
She's affectionate, amiable, and considerate. Looking forward for your leadership, Yana.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Puneet.
Thank you.
Okay. Congratulations, Yana. Next category.
So next is the cultural club vice captain post, and the winner is Sanskriti Padi of class 6. I request audience to clap for her. I request her parents to honor her.
Sanskriti, kindly turn on your video. Sanskriti, are there?
Yes, yes. She is there. Sanskriti Padi.
Okay.
Thank you everyone for choosing me, and I'm really glad about it. And I'm so proud for you guys, and thank you all.
Congrats. Congratulations.
Thank you so
Puneet, continue.
She's affectionate, amiable, and considerate. Looking forward for your good cooperation with your captain. So next is the Ambience Club captain post, and the winner is Bhagya Nandini from class 9. I request audience to clap for her, and I request her parents to honor her.
Congratulations, Beta.
Bhagyanandini, you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I request the parents to honor.
She is diligent, unassuming, and reliable. Looking forward for your leadership.
Thank you for giving this opportunity. I will surely do justice for my role. Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Bhagyanandini. Okay, Puneet, next.
So next is the Ambience Club vice captain post, and the winner is Adi Tripada from class 7. I request audience to clap for her,
Aditi, you are there?
and I request her parents to honor her.
Aditi, kindly turn on your video.
Ma'am,
Okay. Congratulations.
thank you, ma'am, and thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Welcome, Beta.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go for the next.
She is diligent, practical, and adaptable. Looking forward for your good cooperation with your captain. So the second house is the Trishul house. So as I said before, a house cannot function properly without a captain. So the winner for Trishul house captain is Meghashri of class 9. I request the audience to clap for her, and I request her parents to honor her with the sachet and the crown.
Puneet, you can start.
Enjoy this moment, Meghashri, as you have been
Thank you.
deserved it. You are
Thank you.
persistent, compassionate, and exuberant, and ambitious.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the teachers for giving me this opportunity, and I hope so I can live up to your expectations. Thank you.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Next is the house vice captain post. So the winner for the house vice captain post is Shailesh from class 8. I request audience to clap for her.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
I would like to thank my teachers who have provided me with such an opportunity. I make sure that I make the best use of this opportunity, and I will try my level best in contributing towards my house. Thank you.
Welcome. Congratulations, beta.
He's collaborative, focused, precise, and sportive. Looking forward for a good cooperation with your house captain. So moving on further, next is the discipline house captain post, and the winner is Jaideep Mohan of class 8. I request audience to clap for him, and I request his parents to honor him.
Congratulations, Jaideep.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, one and all. This is Jaideep Monty speaking from class 8, and I'm selected for discipline leader. Thank you all those teachers who have recognized me and my ability, who have seen my nature and given me such a wonderful opportunity. As a leader, I would take all suggestions from all my group members, and I'll try my level best performance for this one. And I would definitely prove myself. Thank you.
Jaideep, congratulations. Why you are so nervous? You are vice captain. You are a leader.
That is also one of the quality for a leader, right, no, sir? Not to be nervous. Next time you won't be nervous.
Good, okay. Good. All the best.
All the best. Don't worry, beta. They're all your friends, right? Yeah. Very good.
Next.
So next is the discipline house captain post. Sorry, I think it's over. So next is the discipline house vice captain post, and the winner is Leah Angel George from class 6.
Thank
Big
you
round of
everyone
applause.
for asking me. Thank you teachers for giving this opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Congratulations, Leah.
Thank you, ma'am.
I request audience to clap for her.
Big round of applause.
So next is the sports captain post, and the winner is Bharat Kumar of class 9.
Congratulations,
I
Bharat.
request audience.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, teachers, for electing me and supporting me for this post. Hope you support me for my every decision. Thank you.
Welcome.
He's adaptable, frank, and courageous. Looking forward for leadership. So moving on further, next the sports club vice captain post, and the winner is Ashish Kumar Padya from class 7. I request his parents to honor him.
Not there, I think. There we can proceed.
Yes. Moving on further, next is the cultural captain post, and the winner is Adipalli Srivani from class 9. I request audience to clap for her.
Congratulations. A big round of applause.
I think Srivani is also not there, ma'am.
Move on. If they're not there, just you can go for the next.
Next.
Yes. On moving further, next is the cultural club vice captain post, and the winner is Shweta Panigrahi of class 7.
Congratulations.
I request audience to clap for her.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks.
Congratulations, Shweta.
She's affectionate, amiable, and considerate. Looking forward for a good cooperation with your captain. So next is the ambience club captain post, and the winner is Bhanu Prajwal of class 9.
Congratulations. A big round of applause. A clapping for you.
Bhanu Prajwal.
He is diligent, unassuming, and reliable. Looking forward for your good leadership.
Next.
So next is the Ambience Club Vice Captain post, and the winner is Shubha from Class 7. I request audience to clap for her.
Congratulations. A big round of applause from all of us.
Manu Prajwal. Yes. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, teachers and all. Thank you, ma'am.
What about your video?
We can move forward.
Okay.
With. Punit, you can move forward.
Further, Nikhila will carry on.
Okay.
So moving on to the next set of houses, we have the NA group first. So the winner for the captain category in the NA group is Riya Kashyap from class 9th. So I request Riya's parents to honor her with sachets, badges and crown.
Congratulations, Riya.
And I request the audience to clap for her.
Big round of applause.
You deserve it, Riya, because you're very talented, kind and loyal. Congratulations, Riya.
You're not audible, Riya.
You are not audible. Unmute yourself. Riya, unmute yourself.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, respected teachers, for voting me as the house captain of NA group. I'll be a positive and fair leader, and I'll make sure to live up to everyone's expectations. I look forward to work in collaboration with the members of NAG House. Thank you again.
Congratulations once again, Riya. Thank you very much.
So next we have the vice captain post from the NA group. The winner is Preksha Prabhu from class 8th. I request Preksha's parents to honor with badges, sachets and crown. And I request all of the audience to clap for her.
I request all of the audience, do not leave once your child is being awarded. Please wait for the ceremony to complete.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone, for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
You deserve it, Preksha, because you're very diligent, friendly, and kind. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Preksha. Okay, next.
So in the NA group, we have another category that is Discipline Club. So the captain of Discipline Club is Sagnik Adhikari from class 9th. I request Sagnik's parents to honor him with sachets, badges, and crown.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you all the teachers for giving me this opportunity to be a leader. And I hope this will be a new opportunity for me to learn new things, and I hope that I collaborate very nicely with my house captain.
Thank you, Becca. Thank you.
You deserve it because you're really energetic, creative, and also very determined. Congratulations.
Yes, Nikita. Nikhila.
Yes, ma'am. Shall I continue, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you can continue.
Yes. So the vice captain of Discipline Club in Nag House is Gautam Ganesh Kumar from class 6th. I request Gautam parents to honor him with sachets, badges, and crown.
Congratulations. A big round of applause.
Yeah, thank you everyone for thank you to the teachers for electing me for this post. I'm very grateful.
Thank you.
You deserve it because you're calm, frank, and hardworking. Congratulations, Gautam.
Thank you.
So the another category in our group is sports club. The captain for sports club in the NAR group is Dveen Vishwanath from class 8. I request his parents to honor him with sashes, badges, and crowns.
Congratulations, beta.
Vishwanath है there, Divin?
Yes.
Yeah, congratulations.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for selecting me as the sports captain. Thank you, teachers and my dear friends.
You deserve it because you're really amiable, considerate, and diligent. Congratulations. And moving forward, we have vice captain of sports club in our group. So the winner is Nisarg S of class 7th. I request his parents to honor him. And I request audience to clap for him.
Big round of applause for all the leaders.
Yes, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the teachers.
Welcome.
You deserve it because you're nice, focused, and courageous. Congratulations once again.
Thanks a lot.
I request Mitravi Reddy's parents to honor her.
Thank you, everyone. I thank all the teachers who have elected me. I'll try my best as a cultural group captain. Thank you.
Thank you, Mitra. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Mitra.
You deserve it because you're practical, collaborative, and cheerful. And congratulations. So next, we have vice captain of cultural club in our group. That is Chandana Shri G from class 7th. I request Chandana Shri parents to honor her. And audience, please give applause to her.
Okay, Nikhila, you can proceed.
Yes, ma'am. Chandana Shri, you really deserve it because you're diplomatic, active, and assertive. Congratulations. So moving on to the next one, we have Ambience Club in our group. So the captain of Ambience Club in our group is Sudiksha Krishna Prasad from class 8. I request her parents to honor her.
Thank you for this position. Thank you all teachers and thank you my principal and everyone. I'll try to justice my position. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Sudiksha.
And you really deserve it because you're clean, affable, and empathetic. So moving to the next one, we have vice captain of Ambience Club in our group, that is G. Lalit Aditya from class 6th. I request his parents to honor him.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for giving me this post. I will try my level best to fulfill this post.
Congratulations. Thank you, beta.
Congratulations.
And you really deserve it because you're so enthusiastic, loyal, and convivial. So congratulations. So next group, we have the Prithvi group. So on the Prithvi group, the captain is Mahi Mathur from class 9th. And I request her parents to honor her.
Congratulations. A big round of applause to you, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. I first of all thank all my teachers who have elected me, and I look forward to collaborate with all my fellow candidates of Prithvi House. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're really motivated, passionate, and friendly, and congratulations. So next we have vice captain of Prithvi group is Patluri Venkatasai Neeraj Babu of class 8. I request his parents to honor him.
Thank you to all respected teachers for giving me this position. I would promise that I should make the best use of my responsibility. Hand it over to me.
Congratulations, Neeraj.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, respected Principal Ma'am, Das sir, and all the teachers. Thank you so much for selecting leaders.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am.
Congrats, Neeraj.
Congratulations, Neeraj. Thank you.
You really deserve it. You're so smart, kind, and very creative. Congratulations. So moving on forward, we have the winners for Discipline Club of Prithvi Group. So the captain of Discipline Club in Prithvi Group is Manya Dandamudi of class 8. I request the parents to honor.
Congratulations.
Manya, unmute.
Video check.
Manya?
Unmute yourself and speak.
She's on unmute only, ma'am. Manya, you can speak. Manya, you are on unmute only. Ma'am, shall we proceed?
Yes, madam. Next.
Yes, Nikhila.
You really deserve it, Manya, because you're very calm, sincere, and really kind. So congratulations. So next we have Vice Captain of Discipline Club, that is Gaurav Prakash of class 6th, and I request his parents to honor him.
Congratulations, Gaurav.
Congratulations, Gaurav. A big round of applause.
Congratulations, Gaurav.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for selecting me as the vice captain for the discipline group. Once again, thank you for everyone.
Thank you all. Thanks for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
You really deserve it because you're helpful, diligent, and reliable. So congratulations. So next, moving on to the sports club in Prithvi Group, we have the captain of sports club in Prithvi Group, that is Ayush Tripathi of class 9. I request his parents to honor him. An audience to please clap.
Big round of applause.
Ma'am, I think Ayush is not there.
Fine.
We can proceed to the next child.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So Ayush, you're really hardworking, generous, and focused, and congratulations. So next we have the vice captain of sports club in Prithvi Group, that is Pranav from class 7th. I request his parents to honor him.
Pranav is also not there.
Anyways, congratulations. Let's move to the next child.
Yes, ma'am. So the next category in the cultural club in Prithvi Group, we have the captain of cultural club in Prithvi Group, that is Asmi Goyal from class 9th. I request her parents to honor.
Congratulations, Asmi Goyal.
Asmi, unmute.
Thank you all the teachers for voting me as a cultural captain of Prithvi Group. I will try my best to just follow the all responsibilities and do my best as a cultural captain.
Very good. Congratulations, Asmi.
Thank you all, and good evening all. First of all, I would really like to thank all teachers, Principal Ma'am and Das sir, for the way they are managing all the academics and extracurricular activities in this pandemic time. And it's really an honor, ma'am, that Asmi have been elected as a cultural head for the Prithvi House. And I expect that she will perform all her duties and responsibility without fail.
Thanks for your support. Thanks for your support, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
You
Next.
really deserve it, Asmi, because you're talented, friendly, and very honest. And congratulations. So next we have vice captain of cultural club in Prithvi House, that is Sunidhi S from class 7th. I request her parents to honor her.
A big round of applause. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much to all the teachers for giving me this responsibility. I'll make sure to perform it right. Thank you.
Thank you.
You really deserve it because you're thoughtful, unique, and frank. And congratulations and all the best. So we have another category in Prithvi group, that is Ambience Club. The captain of Ambience Club in Prithvi House is G. Bhavit Nandan Reddy of class 9th. I request his parents to honor him.
Bhavit is also not there. We can move.
Yes.
Bhavit is there? Okay, yes, Bhavit, please.
Thank you all teachers for giving me this opportunity. I'll try my best to use this. Once again, thank you all teachers.
Yeah, thanks for giving this opportunity, and also thankful to Principal Ma'am and as well as Das sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your support. Congratulations, Beta. Big round of applause to you.
Bhavit.
You deserve it because you're polite, patient, and kind. And moving on to the next, we have Vice Captain of Ambience Club in Prithvi House, that is Vinay Kumar of class 7th. I request his parents to honor him.
Congratulations, Vinay. A big round of applause to you. A clapping. Congratulations.
Thank you everyone for this opportunity, and I will try my best to fulfill all your dreams.
Thank you all.
Vinay.
Thank you, sir, and thank you all the teachers once again.
Congratulations, Vinay.
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Nikhila.
Yes, ma'am. You deserve it, Vinay, as you're clean, friendly, and ambitious. So now, furtherly, I would like to hand over this to Nisi and Bhavishya. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikhila, for firstly, I would like to congratulate all the newly elected leaders. So moving on with the ceremony, it's time for all the elected leaders to take the oath. So I call upon our respected principal, Anasuya ma'am, to lead them in oath taking. And I request all the elected leaders, including all the house captains and respective house club captains, to stand and put your right hand forward and repeat after our principal ma'am. And I kindly request the head boy to unmute and repeat after principal ma'am. Ma'am, please go ahead.
Yashaswin, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first ma'am will say, then you're going to repeat after her.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, right hand forward. I'll tell you, and then after me, you have to repeat. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. We have been elected.
We have been elected
as the cabinet members of Narayana E-Techno School,
Narayana E-Techno School,
Whitefield Branch, for the academic year 2021-22.
2021-22.
We, with our consciousness, swear that we shall be discharging our duties and fulfill our responsibilities without showing partiality under the conditions and the terms of the management. We will be an ideal and a role model to all our students and insist everybody to follow the rules and regulations of our school to achieve our goal. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and all the elected leaders.
I thank all of you, and I congratulate all the leaders. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now it's time for our newly elected leaders to give their speech. So I request everyone to be on mute and listen to their amazing speeches. Handing over to Bhavashya of class 10.
Thank you, Nissi. So now I call upon our clever, ambitious, compassionate, friendly head boy Yashashwin R from class 10 to give the speech.
So,
Yashashwin, please.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ashwin, and I'm standing in the post of head boy. So first, I shall thank to all my friends and teachers for voting me. So with a great power comes great responsibilities. Being a leader is actually not an easy job, but people have chosen me to be a leader because they trust me and they think I can do good and be honest to people. So therefore, I promise to people that I will be honest and I will make my teachers and parents proud. Thank you.
Thank you, Yashashwin. That was a spectacular speech. Now I invite our creative, witty, amiable, compassionate, dedicated head girl Prakya from class 10 to give us the speech.
Good evening, respected principal ma'am, dean sir, teachers, parents, and my dear fellow students. Today I express my gratitude towards all of you for electing me for the honorable position of the head girl of Narayana E-Techno School BLRWF. I'm beyond elated to have been selected for this post. I will make sure I'll be able to do the best for everyone and be able to handle tough situations with an open mind. I promise to be always there for all the students and to make our institution a better place to learn. Hope you all are doing well. Thank you.
Thank you, Prakya.
Now I request the ambitious, courageous, witty deputy head boy Krish Arun from class 9 to give the speech.
Good evening, Principal Ma'am, Das sir, and all my respected teachers, my dear fellow students and their parents. Thank you everyone for believing in me and voting for me and giving this position and opportunity to me to change the perspective you think about studying and serious stuff. No, studying and school consists of everything. Learn all kinds of knowledge, sports, everything. I hope I will be able to fulfill all your wishes and be a good deputy head boy and help the head boy, head girl in their. Thank you.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you, Krish. It was indeed a breathtaking speech. Now I call upon the most charming, empathetic, enthusiastic, and determined deputy head girl, Riti R. Prabhu from class 9 to give the speech.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, Das sir, and all my dear teachers, and of course my friends. I am Riti R. Prabhu from class 9. I am the chosen candidate for the post of Deputy Head Girl. I stand here with great pride and honor as the post of the Deputy Head Girl. And for that, I would like to thank the faculty members and obviously my favorite student bodies for nominating me and believing in me. I hope that I can live up to all of your expectations and I'll try my best never to let you down. Well, this is my 4th year in Narayana and every moment marks a day in my life. I have gone through a lot of good and bad situations and experiences that what makes me what I am today. And I truly think that experiences is what makes our life even better. My experience at Narayana School has always been educative and an interactive moment with people around me. I have learned more than what's written in textbooks and notebooks. So for that, I would like to thank my school. This school has taught me how to deal with challenges that you meet with your everyday life, and it has made me a better student and a better citizen. This has also helped me to mark my peers and to be mature and be guided in the right path. I'm sure that these experiences and knowledge will help us in our future. I just can't say that I'm trustworthy, reliable, or a responsible person. But for what that I possess these traits and situations, for where I've shown and proven these traits will be that I can make a difference for the school. I hope that I act as a bridge between the students and the teachers. Thank you for believing in me and voting for me as a deputy head girl. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Riti. That was a spectacular speech. Moving ahead.
Thank you for all of your wonderful speeches. So moving on, I here invite a performance by Jahnavi of class 9 singing Sharade song.
Yes.
ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿ ಜೇನು ಗುಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟದೇನು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನು ಅಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟದೇನು ಆ ದೈವದಾಜ್ಞೆನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ನಾಳೆಗಳ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿರಿಸು ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವಾಡೋ ಪದ ಪದದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಚರಿಸು ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿ ಜೇನು ಗುಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟದೇನು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನು ಅಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟದೇನು ಆ ದೈವದಾಜ್ಞೆನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Very good, Jahnavi. A big round of applause for you. Clappings to you.
Thank you so much, Jahnavi. That was indeed a spectacular performance, and thank you for presenting it to all of us. Thank you so much once again. So now moving on, we have a next performance singing our school anthem by Asmi and team.
Each day we rise and sing, progress is everything. We are the pride of India. Determined pace there's no other way. We don't stop until we rise.
We are Narayana.
Reach high Narayana.
March on Narayana.
We work hard every day, nothing gets in our way. We are the leaders of tomorrow's world.
We'll climb the highest peaks, progress is what we seek, and we will always reach our final goals.
We are Narayana. Reach high Narayana. March on Narayana.
We are Narayana.
Reach high Narayana.
March on Narayana.
We are Narayana.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you to Narayana School for providing us all great experiences and opportunities.
Good.
Very good students.
Very good. Proud of you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, team. That was indeed an amazing performance done by all of you. It's such an honor to be part of Narayana. Thank you so much. So forging ahead, we have a next performance. So I want to give a little bit brief about this performance. It is a dance that shows one culture, one etiquette of our ancients. It is a dance known for its grace, purity, tenderness, and sculptural poses. Yes, it's nothing but Bharatanatyam. So with all these qualities, I would like to invite Gauri to marvel us with her splendid performance.
महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते नमस्ते करुणारूढे कोलासुरभयङ्करी सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते सर्वतुष्टभयङ्करी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते श्वेतांबरधरे नानालङ्कारभूषिते श्वेतांबरधरे नानालङ्कारभूषिते जगत्स्थिते जगन्माता महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते Shankara.
Very good, Gauri. Good performance.
Thank you, ma'am.
Big clappings for you.
That was really a splendid performance, Gauri. I would like all of us to give a big round of applause to Gauri. And I wish and pray that you continue this art throughout your life. Good luck and thank you once again. Moving on, I would like to hand it over to Nissi.
Thank you so much for your wonderful performances. It's so good to see you all performing, and thanks a lot for entertaining all of us. May God bless you all extremely. Having reached the end of our ceremony, I would like to invite our Dean Das sir to give the word of thanks for the day. Das sir, please go ahead.
Good evening, respected Principal Ma'am, my dear colleagues, parents, and my dear students. Myself, Das, Academic Dean of Narayana Techno School, Whitefield branch. It is really a surprise for me to seeing this such type of ceremony in virtual. So I'm expressing my gratitude to all members here who made this program grand success. I'm thankful to first the honor of our school principal ma'am, all teachers, and the lot of chief guests, all our parents who find time to attend this program from their busy schedule. I'm very much thankful to them, and all the non-teaching staff who also coordinate to make this event grand success. This cabinet installation to give the structure of every school with different area, not only teacher to teach, vice principals or deans to observe, accountant to collect money, material in charge to give books, not that one. All together, we have to work in different area where the teachers as well as students together working and making our school in all aspects strong and number one. So I'm very much thankful to everybody to make this cabinet installation ceremony successful. Different clubs are having different mottos. On the upcoming future, we are going to conduct lot of competitions where to see our lot of talented students to express their talent in different area. In virtually, how this all will be conducted. The captains, vice captain, the house members, and the school will sit, will together discuss, and we'll have so many things, upcoming things like exhibition, science exhibition. We have some debate or master orator competition. These all things, which one will be possible through virtually. I am planning. We are going to conduct. We'll have a good competition. Every student will get chance to show their talent. And thanks to all the students who participate and in this program to make all the things grand success. Congratulate to all the leaders. Only be leader is not the work finish. Now your work start. Slowly, I'll be going to gather with you all, and we'll have a very good plan for our school, how it will be present everywhere on the top. So, I'll thanks to Nikhila and Puneet who announce all the leaders' names of all the houses, captain and vice captain. Now, as a teacher leader, I want to announce house teacher, house master names and the supporting member of that particular house. So, first we'll start with Agni House. Agni House, house master, Harshan sir, and other supporting teachers for the Agni House, Sarvani madam, Venkatesh sir, and Rajani madam. Trishul House, house master, Shalini madam, and other house members for this particular Trishul House, Pawan sir, Mamta madam, and Sanjay sir. Next, Nag House. House master for Nag House is Suman sir. And other supporting teachers for this particular house, Preeti madam, Johnson sir, and Satish sir. Next, Prithvi House. House master, Shobha madam. Other teacher, supporting teacher for this house, Naveen sir, Fanindra sir, and Diksha madam. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Can we all have national anthem?
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. This Manasa is raising hand from so long time. I just need to ask her, Manasa, what happened?
Excuse
Want
me,
to say
ma'am.
something? Yes.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Yes,
Actually, I wanted to sing a song which is in our Kannada textbook, and it is a poem.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we allow her?
Yeah, yeah. Before only she would have given the name, but still no problem. Sing better.
Okay.
Sing. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ರಜಾ ರಜ ರಜ ಇದ್ದರು ಬಿಸಿಲಿನ ಸಜಾ ಸಜಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ರಜಾ ರಜ ರಜ ಇದ್ದರು ಬಿಸಿಲಿನ ಸಜಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಡೋಣ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಮೈಮೆ ಆಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಡೋಣ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಮೈಮೆ ಆಡೋಣ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ರಜಾ ರಜ ರಜ ಇದ್ದರು ಬಿಸಿಲಿನ ಸಜಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ರಜಾ ರಜ ರಜ ಇದ್ದರು ಬಿಸಿಲಿನ ಸಜಾ ಏಕೆ ರವಿಗಿಂತ ತಾಪ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲವನ ಕೋಪ ಏಕೆ ರವಿಗಿಂತ ತಾಪ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲವನ ಕೋಪ ಎಂದು ಹಳಿಯಬೇಡಿ, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ತಪ್ಪು ತಿಳಿಯಬೇಡಿ ಎಂದು ಹಳಿಯಬೇಡಿ, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ತಪ್ಪು ತಿಳಿಯಬೇಡಿ. ಮೋಡ ಕೂಡಿಸಲು ಇಳಿಗೆ ಮಳೆ ತರಲು ದುಡಿಯತಿಹನು ಪಾಪ, ಮೋಡ ಕೂಡಿಸಲು ಇಳಿಗೆ ಮಳೆ ತರಲು ದುಡಿಯುತ್ತಿಹನು ಪಾಪ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಡೋಣ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆ ಆಡೋಣ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಡೋಣ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆ ಆಡೋಣ. ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ರಜಾ, ರಜಾ ರಜಾ ಇದ್ದರು ಬಿಸಿಲಿನ ಸಜಾ. ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ರಜಾ, ರಜಾ ರಜಾ ಇದ್ದರು ಬಿಸಿಲಿನ ಸಜಾ. ನನ್ನರ ನನ್ನ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಪೋಷಕ ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಭೂಮಿಗವನು ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯ. ಭೂಮಿಯ ಪೋಷಕ ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಭೂಮಿಗವನು ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯ. ಹೊಗಳಿಕೆ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ತೆಗಳಿದರೆ ಅವ ಕುಕ್ಕುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೊಗಳಿಕೆ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ತೆಗಳಿದರೆ ಅವ ಕುಕ್ಕುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೆಳಕ ನೀಡುವನು, ಬಿಸಿಯ ನೋಡುವನು, ಮರೆದೇ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಬೆಳಕ ನೀಡುವನು, ಬಿಸಿಯ ನೋಡುವನು, ಮರೆದೇ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಡೋಣ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆ ಆಡೋಣ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಡೋಣ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆ ಆಡೋಣ. ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ರಜಾ, ರಜಾ ರಜಾ ಇದ್ದರು ಬಿಸಿಲಿನ ಸಜ್ಜಾ. ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ರಜಾ, ರಜಾ ಇದ್ದರು ಬಿಸಿಲಿನ ಸಜಾ.
Very good, Manasa. Good. Now everybody stand. I am going to play the
We request all students to stand. We are going to sing national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Yes, Nissy, you can proceed.
Yes, ma'am. So we have come to an end of our investiture ceremony. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your patience and precious time. We are extremely glad to have you all here today to celebrate the hard work and success. Additionally, I would like to thank the Vice Principal of CHAMS, Divashri ma'am, and the Vice Principal of Kids, Sasikala ma'am, for giving their valuable time to sparkle our event. Coming to the end of the day, on behalf of my whole team, I wish you every happiness, success, and peace. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you, Principal ma'am.
Thank you, Dasa. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, parents. Thank you all.